Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca. You can check out my channel intro video right up there in the cards, and that will tell you more about what I do here. My channel name used to be Sovoluntaria Getchell. That is my spiritual name I go by, but I wanted to meld the two. I talk about that in the video that I mentioned up there in the cards. Go give it a click. In the meantime, I would like to say that my son is awake and he is listening to TV because I got this and I'm so excited and I want to film an unboxing, and I cannot wait until he goes to bed to film this. I need to film this now. So we're just gonna have to ignore the background noise. This order is my custom book I ordered from Citrus Book Bindery, which I will link in the description box down below. I ordered this for my 2020 bullet journal. I'm hoping that the whole of the year will fit in it because I ordered it chunky. So we're going to dive right in and see what we got in here. I have scissors, just in case. And I've never filmed an unboxing. This is so exciting. I'm so excited. The mailman is like my best friend. I was having a really shitty day. Just a bunch of stuff just kept happening. And I knew this was out for delivery. So I made a note because I live in a triplex and I don't have a buzzer. So I made a note for the mailman. The mailman, and I put it on my mailbox, and it said, I'm home, here's my number, please call or text me, and I'll come down and grab the package, please, you'll make my day. And he did. He didn't have to, but he did. So he's my hero. So we have a nice plain box, not very exciting there, but that's okay. The exciting stuff is inside it. Oh, look, they Christmas wrapped it. So we have a card, which I'm not going to show you the front of because it's got a coupon code and I want it. We've got welcome to our family and my shipping slip. So let's, all right. And this is beautifully wrapped. The paper came a little bit. This came all the way from the UK and it is super chunky. I can tell already. Like a reading book. I'm so excited. Oh god, it's so pretty. Alright, check her out. She is beautiful. So, this is a sun. The sun pattern Citrus Book Bindery. There's the open spine. I have a ribbon, or not a ribbon, we have an elastic for holding it closed, and I got a chunky. So, this is an A5 size, and I got the 100 GSM paper, because I don't care that much if it ghosts, I care about bleed through. So I got the thinner paper so I could get more pages, because I'm hoping to fit my whole year of 2020 in here. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Here we have a regular Scribbles That Matter, so you can see the size difference. Oh my god, it's comical. There's like 2 Scribbles That Matters. And A5 size wise, it's a little tiny bit wider. Tiny bit. I don't know if you can really see that, but so tiny bit. If we open it up, oh, nice tight elastic. I did get page numbers. There we go. So I did get the pages numbered. Let's see. I guess we're just keeping this out. So color-wise, they're pretty similar. This one's pretty bright, which is great. I've never done this before, so I'm just going by what I see it definitely lays flat. Now, because it is so large, it's slanted on this side, but that's okay by me. So I got all of the pages numbered. It has a whopping 231 pages. I did ask for the ribbons, so I have 3 ribbons, which is quite lovely. And have eyelet detail, and that is what I ordered. Look at that puppy. Look at you, you beautiful thing. Oh God, it's so gorgeous. Now, so I'm gonna sit down for this part because I have been standing through this video, but look at this. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh, be still, my heart. All right, so I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna do a quick pen test. So I'm gonna flip to the back here because this is my book. I'm not getting rid of it. So I've got my Sarasa Clip .5 pen, and I've got Tombow, there. Sure, why not? So, sure, my pen is decided to be silly. Okay. So the pen smears a little when I highlight it, just a little. It smears worse in the scribbles that matter. Let's just do. I'm super professional with my pen tests. It's really interesting because I can like see the wetness of it at first. Like it'll smear. So far I can tell you to definitely don't, if you're making a whole spread in a citrus book bindery with the paper I used, which I used the 100 GSM multimedia paper. If you're using this paper, just give it a minute to dry. I don't mind. I am a lefty, but honestly, it doesn't smear that much for me. So let's do that. Let's take a look. Oh, that's not too bad for me. It does ghost, as you can see, but it's not the type of ghosting that bothers me. And then once I've colored, once I've done on both sides, I'm totally fine with that. I like the fact that this paper is not very, like, it feels like real paper. It doesn't feel like it's been coated. But there's no, this is a gel pen. And I haven't got any, like, of the, like, braille on this side for it. So, yes, there is ghosting. If you are concerned about ghosting, then, ooh, and let me just grab, let's see how this goes. Because I do use other pens. Yeah, see, nothing's bleeding, which is great. If you are a person that ghosting bothers, then Citrus Book Bindery has other pages. You can get different styles of paper. You can get paper as thick as 160 GSM, which would be great, and it would not ghost. I don't care that much, and I'm hoping to get the whole year in it. So there's one more thing I want to test and see, and that's if it'll fit in here. I've been using this, my TN cover I got from Elro Here Leather, which I'll link down below, as just a book cover. So I took out the elastics because I don't use it as a TN. So I've just been sliding this in. So I'm hoping, and when I got this, I ordered an A5 wide Elro Here Leather, because at the time I was thinking of having two. Silly me. Well, that doesn't work. Oh well. So at the time I was thinking of having two A5 in this. So as you can see, I really like me some sun patterns. This is an aesthetic I really love. So I will have to think of another purpose for this baby once my current journal is over. This, in the meantime, is going to get set up to be used for 2020. It seems like a wonderful book. It's handmade. It's gorgeous. I really love the design. I love supporting small businesses. Because I got open spine, I am a little wary of wear and tear. So I think I will probably get, because generally speaking, my bullet journal goes with me everywhere. However, given what's currently going on with my schooling, I have a notebook I've been carrying with me. Or I have a notebook that I haven't been carrying it with me yet, but I could theoretically take this to travel with me places, to just write down notes instead. I'll figure that out. I'll probably, though, just get something to secure this. Actually, I might have something. Let me go check. Give me a minute. Alright, well, I can't find it. There's a chance I might have purged it. I had an iPad ebook cover, which this would fit in. So I will just get something to put it in for safety while traveling. But there we have it. That is my beautiful citrus book bindery book, my first ever. You will get to see as I use it whenever I post bullet journal videos, and just like, look at that work. It's beautiful. So just stay tuned and I will keep you posted. In the meantime, thank you so much for joining me, and keep your eyes peeled. I'm editing my altar video right now, and now that I've got this, I'm going to start setting up for 2020, like probably tonight, because I'm impatient, and I'm really excited to share my ideas for how my setup is about to change. So stay tuned, and I will see you next time. Love and light always. Bye.